we're just gonna get right into this bundle. This is my Natalie Attired collection. They have a collection and they have a limited. This is the collection where you pay $20 styling fee and they send you I believe it's 5 items to try on. Shipping is free, and if you keep 3 or 4 items, you get 20% discount, and if you keep all 5 items, you get a 30% discount. That's pretty good. I have a note. My stylist is Renee. Hi Barbara, I hope this collection is more to your liking. The jacket is so comfortable. Enjoy, Renee. Well, that's really nice. Oh, okay, good. All the instructions are back here. The limited collection that they have, oh, and there's a bag to return everything. And the price list. What was I gonna tell you guys? Oh, the limited collection, you pay one price, it's $72, plus you pay $10 shipping, which is $10, so that's $82. The value of the items, you get 3 or 4 items, and they are valued at least $150 or more. And I think the, I think it's where you might want to, you know, they want you to keep everything. And I'm not sure about how that all works. It's on their website. I like the collection that I'm getting. I think it's called the Classic, maybe, collection. Okay, so let me stop talking. Let's just get into it. This is cute. This is a nice fall top. That's very pretty. The print is pretty. I think I've seen this somewhere. Kayla, do you have this top? I think you do, actually. Oh, it's 3/4 sleeve, but it's not tabbed, so that's good. I don't know, this is pretty nice. I like this. I know, I'm pretty sure Kayla has it. Look at the detail on the front. It has like some little gathering. You guys know me, I don't know the proper terms of this stuff. Oh, okay, it's light gray, but I don't know, this looks pretty cute. Darn gray, I'm not a light gray person. So let's see if I can get this set up good. Okay, this might be a little snug for this belly, but it sure is a cute style. So it looks like it's a V-neck in the front and then it crisscrosses and ties in the back. That's pretty cute. I think I've seen this on somebody else, but I'm not sure who. Ooh, these feel like they got a lot of stretch in them, I hope. What are these? Just black denim. Oh, they're skinnies. Yikes, but I like the dark wash. I mean, if they fit, they're my size. Oh, I don't know. I don't know, but we'll see. We'll give it a good try. Might get them on, not be able to get them back off. Okay, looks like there's 2, was that 3, 4, 5? Okay, so she put these together. I'm gonna take them out. Oh, is that a turtleneck? That's nice. The material feels really soft. This is nice. I like that. Okay, and then here's the jacket. Oh, this is nice. This is by Andre. Don't have my glasses on. Look at this. And it's lined. Oh, a lined jacket. Are you kidding me? Let's try it on right now. Oh, it's black on black. I'll wait. We'll get everything else going. All right, I'll be right back. About walked out of my shoes. This is really a cute top. The color, actually, the gray for this style is not bothering me. I like it. I guess it's the grays that I don't really like. I guess it just depends on the style of the top. This I like the V-neck of it. It's not a real thick sweater, but it's not real thin either. It's a nice length, and then the surprise is in the back. Look at this. How cute is that? Just had to give you another look at the back. Okay, this is really nice, but I've noticed that the sleeves keep moving up and it gets a little pointy up here. This would not be able to go in the dryer because it's already pretty snug. So that, because the shoulders keep moving up, that would bother me. And look at all the extra right here. I mean, it's a sweater, but I'll probably wear it like this. I don't know. I'm gonna have to watch the video back and wear it a little bit and see what happens with this. I don't know, it just kind of looks a little, you guys tell me, what do you think? All right, now let's talk about these jeans. Oh, they have a lot of stretch, let me tell you. A lot of, they feel like leggings is what they feel like. I actually like these, and they're skinnies. They're too long, I had to roll them up. Let me show you a lot. Okay, the left leg is rolled down. This one I rolled under. I mean, I think I would need to size up in these. They're probably just a little too tight. They're high-waisted. They do have real pockets all the way around. Let's see. Yep, 5 pocket. I mean, they feel nice. I'll just keep them on and we'll see how it goes. Okay, it's a pretty cute top. Like the color. Who am I kidding? I don't like it. I mean, I like it, but I don't like it. I feel like I need to go start over, but I'm just gonna continue. I like the V-neck of it. I love the detail here where it's all kind of, I don't know if they call it pin tucked or just gathered or, you know, kind of layered here. I think it's a little big, but you know, I'm not a blouse girl typically, so they feel big on me, but maybe that's how they're supposed to lay. Here's it's too flowy. This is too flowy. No, that's not me. I don't like that. I think it's really cute and I think it looks good on me. But for fall, I will get cold in this because I can feel like with this, the air moving through it. I like that it's longer in the back. Okay, I know you guys are gonna say, oh, do a front tuck. You know, it does look cute, I have to admit. Okay. I mean on film, on camera, it looks good. But I know I won't reach for it. And these sleeves, no, sorry. This maybe if they were tighter around my arm, but they're really loose. It's nice because it's a finished edge and it's got a button on it, which is nice. I like that kind of detail. Oh, some button detail here. You can't see it with all the print. But these sloppy sleeves are just like, can you be either long or can you be short? Even half sleeve is nice. Oh, that looks better. I like that. This is too much material for me, so I won't pull for it. It's really thin, very thin. So, could be cute, but, well, let's look at no. I won't reach for it. I'll pull for something else that's in my closet. This will just sit. So I know this one's gonna be a no. Okay, let's see what's next. Okay, this is pretty cute. It's very loose at the neck and it rolls up. So you could wear it more of the sloppy look if you want. or just roll it down. I like the print on this and the fit. The sleeves are a good length. It's really a nice turtleneck. Okay, but here's what I noticed, and let me put my glasses on, see if you guys can see it also. It keeps creasing on this side, but not on this side, I don't think, or maybe it's this side. It doesn't lay flush. It's not, I don't know how to explain it, but the more that I was moving around upstairs before I came down, I've noticed it in the mirror. It keeps creasing more on this side than over here. I can't see it, but I don't know if you guys can see that. I love, love, love the print of this. I mean, it makes you look like you've got a silhouette. It's a great length. And I was curious about the material, or the fabric, I should say. And so I was able to see the label on this one, and it's 95% polyester, 5% spandex, which really surprised me because it's really, really soft. It's a thinner material, which is great for layering. Oh, speaking of layering, let's put the jacket on. Cute jacket. It's a nice length. Has pockets here. They're slanted, so it's easy to get your hands in there. Zip it up. So it is a Moto jacket. It looks like the zipper is more of a, it's not silver and it's not gold. It's more almost like a black. What do you call that? It's not bronze. Let's see. So you can put it part way. There's no finish. I mean, it's got a hem on it, but there's no cuff with a button or a zipper or anything. So it's just plain. Oh, it's got stretch on the inside, so it's a different fabric here. I didn't notice it. It feels like almost like a microfiber. And I looked at the material, the fabric, and it says 95% polyester, 5% spandex. So it doesn't feel like that. But it's not, I mean, it's nice. And then here's the stretchy. So, I don't know, it's kind of cute. All right, let me give you my thoughts on the items that I received. Okay, I'm gonna go down the list of my paperwork. Let me see if it gives me a total. If I keep the entire box, the total is $280, and I'm thinking that math is before any discounts. Okay, the jacket, this is really nice, and it's lined, but I have a black Moto jacket. So I'm not gonna keep this one. How much is it? This one is $66. And I'll have all the information down in the description if you guys would like to request a Natalie Attired box. I'll leave my referral link and all the information on the items that I received in case you want to request those also. All right, let's see what's next. The V-neck, oh, this. The paperwork doesn't give you all the information, so you kind of have to look. Fun to fun. Oh, what? Okay, the jacket's $66. This is $49. $49. No. To me, this is not worth $49. It's kind of thin. Let me see if I can see the fabric on it. Yeah, $49. No. The fabric is soft. 100% rayon, hand wash. Okay, that's a definite no. Nope. Hand wash, and I've thrown them in the washer before on delicate. They just don't, it does something to the fabric. They just don't feel the same. And they usually come out wrinkled. So And I don't like the sleeves. I do like the print, actually, I really do. I don't like the style. I don't like all this extra fabric. Maybe if it laid a little bit better so the front didn't, oh no, who am I kidding? I'm not paying $49 for this. I don't love it, so no. Okay, let's see what's next. The Just Black Skinnies. These are $84. Let me put my shoes back on. The crotch here, I have to keep going like this. So for that reason, they're a no. That would drive me crazy. I mean, I've been wearing jeans the last few days, and I do not have that problem with my jeans. I'm wearing Wit and Wisdom, cut from the cloth, and forget the other brand that I wore. And I have not had that problem. So these are gonna go back because of that. Otherwise, I like these a lot. They feel like leggings. I like the dark wash. I mean, they're skinnies, that's okay. I know, I'm surprised I'm saying that too. I know. But for $84, they need to fit better. Okay, the back lace sweater. Who's this by? I wish their paperwork had better information on it. Let's see. Love Tree. This is only $39, but I wore it for a little bit longer and the sleeve kept coming up. So it almost looked, the seam ended up here. So that's not a good look. So this is a no, but the back is really cute. And I like the V-neck, but too bad because that's only $39. All right, this turtleneck. I don't know if you guys can see this. I can feel it right here. See where it's creasing? It keeps doing that, but it's not doing it as much, or maybe not at all over here. Oh, it's doing it right here. It's just a really weird creasing. So I think maybe it's just effective. I don't know, but this is really cute. Otherwise, this would have been a keeper. But because of this, I don't know. It's almost like the seam isn't sewn, like the arm isn't sewn in here right. It just doesn't feel right. Otherwise, it would be a keeper. How much is this? Oh, and I've got it on, so I can't tell you the manufacturer. $42. Ooh, $42, although it is cute. I would have paid $42 for this. That's how much I like it. But it's gotta fit better for the price. Yeah, that's not gonna be good, but look how cute it is. So I think I'm returning everything. I know, you know, it's gotta be right. I'm not gonna buy clothes, just put them in my closet. Not gonna do it. I've gotta be comfortable. So looks like it's all going back. So thanks for watching, everyone. Have a wonderful morning, afternoon, or evening, wherever you are, from my home to yours.